name's Sadie, and today I'm going to take you through how to submit your sitemap to Google Search Console. So your sitemap is essentially a roadmap to your entire website and its contents. It outlines the structure, the pages, and everything that's on it. So when you submit this to Google Search Console, it allows Google's web crawlers to easily understand your website. And when it can easily understand it, it will make it more likely that you'll be placed in Google search results. So the first step is to set up your Google Search Console account if you haven't already. If you haven't, we have a video linked down below where I'll take you through the entire process of setting it up. So once you've set up your Google Search Console account, you then need to verify your website. You can do this in a few different ways, including DNS record, Google Analytics, and Google Tag Manager. The next step would be to generate an XML sitemap if you haven't already. XML sitemaps are the most common type and are readily processed by Google. There are a few different ways that you can generate your sitemap. You can do it automatically, manually, and through third-party tools. To do it automatically, many website platforms like WordPress and Shopify have their own built-in plugins where you can generate your own sitemap. To do this, look for SEO tools or an XML sitemap generator within your platform. For more control, or if your site is custom built, you can also create your own sitemap manually. You can also use third-party tools like Ahrefs, SEMrush, and Screaming Frog to crawl your website and create a sitemap for you. After generating your sitemap, you should make sure that it's accessible via URL. So it would commonly look something like yourdomain.com/sitemap.xml. So you now have your Google Search Console account set up, your website verified, and a sitemap. You can now submit your sitemap to Google Search Console. So to do this, you need to log into Google Search Console, find your verified website, and on the left sidebar, find and click Sitemaps. Make sure to remove any outdated or irrelevant sitemaps that are already in your Google Search Console account. You can then enter the sitemap URL in the Add a New Sitemap field and click Submit. Google will then start processing your sitemap shortly. This can take anywhere from a few hours to a few days, and it all depends on the size of your website and the load on Google's servers. After submitting your sitemap, you should make sure to monitor and maintain it regularly, making sure that there are no errors and it's all up to date. For larger websites or those with a wide array of content, it might be worth to create multiple sitemaps. So you can create these based on content types like blog posts, product listings, and videos. It could make it a lot easier for Google crawlers to crawl the website and also a lot more manageable for webmasters. Creating a sitemap index file is a practical way to manage multiple sitemaps. You can also submit this sitemap index file to Google Search Console rather than submitting multiple different sitemaps. You should also remember to update your sitemap index file in the case that you might remove or add a new sitemap. Submitting a sitemap to Google Search Console is a simple yet impactful step in your SEO strategy. By ensuring that Google can crawl and understand your website, you're increasing your chances of being placed in Google's search results. But remember to regularly maintain and monitor it so it stays up to date. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Comment down below any other videos you want to see from us, and we'll see you in the next one.